Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2022 Renault Captur, stock number 6912. It's ran from the first 2021 to the current shape. It has a H5H 1.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the H5H 1.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, front bonnet no dents, left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, middle gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.